I don't know about you guys, but every time I hear the name Tropicana, I can't help think about Ricky Ricardo and his Cuban band and the club they played in, which he owned, the Tropicana on I Love Lucy.
Lucy, I'm home!
Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City. I'm at the Tropicana Hotel and Casino. I stayed the night here. I'm going to do a quick video of the place, and when I say a quick video, this place is huge, so it's probably going to be a long video. But in any event, I'm in the parking garage. Let's go inside and see what's going on at the Tropicana, shall we? Since I came in through the parking garage for this video, we're going to start all the way back here at the quarter and work our way forward to the boardwalk. I never actually counted, but I bet you the Tropicana has more restaurants than any other hotel and casino here in Atlantic City. I could be wrong. Like I said, I never counted, but the choices are endless here, and they have something for every budget, including some really cheap, inexpensive fast food downstairs in the marketplace. And quite frankly, I've been to most of them. All those videos are available here on the New York channel. And trust me, eventually we'll work our way down to the marketplace. I just came back from Las Vegas last weekend, and I have to tell you guys, this place reminds me very much of the Paris Hotel and Casino, another Caesars property only in Las Vegas, but the theming is very similar. Obviously, you can't compare Havana and Paris, they're two completely different capitals, but very similar as far as the hotels and casinos are considered, with the layouts and the architecture and stuff like that. It's 10:30 a.m., so a lot of these places aren't open yet, but I will tell you, it was mobbed last night here at the Tropicana. I've never seen a movie here at this IMAX, but according to the comments in some of my videos, lots of you guys do come here. I entered in the parking garage right behind me, and right here are the kiosks that I usually check in at. And right behind me is the Havana Tower. Quite a ways to the front of the hotel if you're staying at the Havana Tower. Beautiful tower, but it's a walk if you want to get to that casino. Hold on tight. If you're staying here at the Tropicana, Zintinia, I believe that's how it's pronounced, is a great place to come. Lots of gourmet goodies to bring up to your room, or if you're going home, it's right by the parking garage here. A lot of people don't know it, but you can get to the Palms restaurant, a very fancy restaurant here at the Tropicana, just by going down these escalators. There's also an exit to the street level. Hold on tight. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Gin Ricky's is relatively new here at the Tropicana. It's a bar with a vibe as refreshing as its cocktail namesake. It's equal parts cocktail lounge, live music bar, and good vibes. There's live music here every weekend. As we head towards the casino and other towers here at the Tropicana, we pass a lot of shops as we continue our way through the quarter. If you're planning a trip to Atlantic City, Las Vegas, or any of the other areas covered here on the New York channel, make sure you check out the channel's playlists. It breaks out all these tourist areas by geography. And if you plan on visiting, I give lots of tips, lots of things to see, do, and eat. And even if you're not planning a trip to one of these areas, they're fun to watch anyway, the tours and stuff. So make sure you check out the playlists here on the New York channel. The Tropicana, otherwise known around here as just the Trop, is owned by Gaming and Leisure Properties and operated by Caesars Entertainment. It's the third largest hotel in New Jersey with just under 2,400 guest rooms and a 200,000 square foot shopping and entertainment complex, The Quarter, which is what we're walking through right now. It has over 30 restaurants, 30 shops, 20 bars and lounges, 4 pools, the Tropicana showroom, multiple spas, an IMAX theater, and in 2016, Tropicana completed over $200 million in renovations and additions, including a multimedia light and sound show which is on full display here around the holiday season. The Tropicana is the largest hotel complex on the Atlantic City Boardwalk. It's so large, I've been here thousands of times. Okay, maybe hundreds of times. Alright, dozens of times, and I just discovered this hallway. This hallway leads to the West Tower as well as the bus area. Now, I knew how to get there, but I didn't know this was one of the options. Boogie Nights, a popular 70s and 80s dance club here in Atlantic City, is located right here at the Tropicana. Hold on tight, we're heading downstairs now into the registration or the front desk area. There's also a salon down here, as well as a convenience store, which is by one of the parking lots. I believe there's 2 parking lots for the Tropicana, and this registration area is way out of the way if you're checking into the Havana Tower, so make sure you use those kiosks. That'll prevent you from walking all over the place trying to figure out how to check in this huge complex. Now we're heading to the mezzanine level. Come on, I know you can keep up with me. Apparently there's some kind of dance nationals going on up here. Now we're going to head over to the Chelsea Tower. That's right, another tower. Let's see, there's the Havana Tower, the West Tower, the Chelsea Tower, the North Tower, the South Tower. I think that's it, but maybe I just lost count. I've stayed in several of these towers and given room tours in case you want to check those out on the New York channel, as well as the pools. These windows to one of the pools were recently frosted over. I'm not sure why, but you get a clear view just by turning the corner here. By the way, all those towers in the background, all part of the Tropicana. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Remember, click on the thanks button, get a shout out on an upcoming video. By the way, the guy on the sofa, I assure you he was fine. Here's another pool with some more brand new frosted glass. Apparently there's some new privacy curtains going up here at the Tropicana. The Gilchrist is a great place for breakfast, not just here at the Tropicana, but there's a Gilchrist also at Gardner's Basin in the marina area of Atlantic City. That video is available here on the New York channel. The Tropicana is home to lots of new restaurants. I believe there's 6 of them here, and Asu is one of them. Il Verde simply just moved from their old location to this new, nicer location with beautiful ocean views. Il Verde relocated to where the old buffet used to be here at the Tropicana. I'm going to head over to where it used to be and see what's there now. It's probably just empty. Actually, I believe the old buffet was downstairs where Hash House A Go-Go is right now. Another new restaurant. Like I said, lots of new restaurants, lots of moving around, going around here. The place is huge. Hard to keep up, but it's all for the good. More escalators going down. Hold on tight. These lead to escape rooms as well as an arcade and a Tropicana showroom. By the way, the rugs throughout this entire area, upstairs and downstairs, were replaced earlier this year, but you knew that because you check out the community room here on the New York channel. I discussed that when they were being changed out. Here's the Tropicana Sportsbook, not my favorite, but definitely near the top of the list. Now we're going to head downstairs to the marketplace. No, I'm not going to say hold on tight again. Well, actually, yeah, I just said it, didn't I? And here we have Hash House A Go-Go, known for their breakfasts. I had a great burger here. I've yet to have a breakfast, but it's on my list of things to do. And yes, this, I believe, is where the old buffet used to be. Speaking of food, you didn't think I'd let this go by, did you? Go ahead, roll your eyes. Don't forget to check out the Jersey Jeff Eats channel, brand new channel of mine. It premieres, there's a video that premieres this weekend where I eat a incredibly expensive hot dog and french fries. I'm not going to tell you where, you're going to have to tune in. I believe it's going to be on Sunday, so make sure you check that out. Brand new channel, no content, but I'm just 1 or 2 subscribers away from 200, so thanks guys for all your support, and looking forward to this channel starting up and you guys following along, and lots of new subscribers, so thanks for following, guys. I'll leave a link in the upper right hand corner if you haven't subscribed yet. There'll also be a link in the description below. Anyway, it was an Italian hot dog, so definitely worth the price, right? We'll see. Did I mention this place was huge? And that's it for our tour of the Tropicana Hotel and Casino. I always say it's going to be a short one, but that place is huge. So I'm going to take a walk on the beach now. It's going to be a separate video. It's a beautiful day out here. It's about noon now, so I'm looking forward to getting my toes a little wet and maybe walking all the way down to the Boardwalk. I don't know, but stay tuned for that video. It should be coming up on the channel shortly. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.